All right, we're cleaning a couple of rooms. We've already finished this room, and this room has a little bit of dark stains in it. There's a red stain that we may have to do a special treatment on. It's not too bad. Of course, we pre-vacuumed first, and this carpet was already vacuumed by the housekeepers. So, just to give you an idea of what we picked up. So you see that? All right. So there's a fair amount of dirt and everything still in there. Alright, he's getting ready to go in there. He's already pre-sprayed, and we're going to be doing this room, so stay tuned for that. Alright, he did the closet and behind the door already, so.
This one's pretty nasty. I don't know if it shows it on video, but it's got some pretty good dark stuff in it, including the red stain that we may have to take out with a heat transfer.
Yeah, this is one of those last minute jobs. They called us at 4 o'clock and they'd like to get it done by 5 when they close, and so of course that's not possible, but we're going to try to get it finished as quickly as we can.
It might be possible.
And we didn't put any peroxide in to our pre-spray this time.
We don't use it every time. We just use it when there are like lots and lots of, well, when they just seem like they need it, with lots of stains. If they're easier like this, we just clean them.
Yeah, it's not going to really help us clean it at the time. What it does is it lightens the carpet up as the carpet's dry. And so peroxide's not really going to do an immediate job. It's a little slower acting. So maybe this carpet will be a little brighter tomorrow if we use peroxide, but it's going to be fine.
It'll look good either way, because it's turning, whenever you clean them and they turn blonde while you're doing them, that's a sign that they're getting really clean and they're going to look good the next day and stuff. That's usually a very, very good sign. And this one's turning blonde everywhere. We'll
see in a minute how that dark stain fares. It's just a bonnet here in our pre-spray.
Now, one of the secrets to this bonnet cleaning is you just kind of mellow out and don't go too fast. I mean, you can go fast sometimes, but you kind of just let the machine do the work like I'm doing. I'm not going quick, and the machine's just doing everything, and it's not hard work either. There's your dirty stain. It's not out yet, but I'll work it.
We haven't put a video up in a while. What happened was we had a 28-minute video that we made at the assisted living facility we're cleaning, and we tried to upload that thing. It took 3 nights, and then when it got to 95%, it wouldn't finish uploading on YouTube, and it wanted us to start over at 0, and it had already been 24 hours of upload time put into it, and it was like, we thought about doing it again, decided the video was kind of boring, so we decided it wasn't worth it. So we've been doing some work lately and just not making videos because it's not a lot of stuff to show. And we're doing this today because we figured it's time to put something out. Some people like the Oreck Orbiter stuff. We're not doing very much on vacuum videos because the audience for that seems to have fallen off. But the Oreck Orbiter still is real popular.
Yeah, vacuums. We've owned Kirby's in the past. We're not into them. We don't own one now. We're not going to buy one to make people happy. So
yeah, we get a lot of, every time we put up a video, we get a lot of hassle from people saying you
need
can't.
A Kirby, man. You need
if
a
you
Kirby.
Don't have a Kirby, you can't vacuum and all that stuff.
I know better than that because I had 2 Kirbys.
Well, it's just getting old. People don't appreciate people don't appreciate the vacuuming unless it's with a Kirby. And, you know, it's not, we're not going to get a Kirby just to make vacuum videos. It's not worth it. So if people don't like the vacuum videos anymore, we'll just quit making them.
We don't even like Kirby's.
We may occasionally show some, but...
the truth is, we don't care for Kirby's. We like sanitaires.
Yeah.
If I'm going to get a vacuum like that, it's going to be a sanitary.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that like sanitaires, but when we put a sanitary video up, it doesn't get very many views. And the Dyson videos get more views and they're more popular. But, you know, people are bored with a DC-25. They haven't made them in, you know, what, 6 years? And so people, you know, it's neat that it's an old Dyson that still works, but people kind of get bored seeing it. And unless we buy a new vacuum, there's not really anything to make vacuum videos about. Every once in a while we may, but for the most part, we're not going to do too much of that. It kind of seems like it's annoying everybody, and, you know.
Well, a lot of people don't understand this. We're carpet cleaners, we're not into vacuums. And if we bought a vacuum, it'd be used in our business, not so we can make YouTube videos. We could care less about making vacuum YouTube videos. We're just trying to clean carpets. And buying vacuums, we're not going to do that. It's an expense we don't need. We're trying to make a profit on every job, not spend the money on a new vacuum. Yeah. We could care less about vacuum cleaners.
Well, and our internet's been real bad lately, and so I've had people that occasionally ask me to watch their videos, and the truth is, most of the videos we try to watch, they won't even start. And I think our local internet is just kind of acting up lately, and it's really hard for us to watch YouTube videos. It's really hard to upload videos. And so if some of you, you know, ask me to watch a video and I don't do it, it's because I'm really not able to watch videos right now. It does this once in a while. We'll go through a period where YouTube's unusable, and then after a while it starts working again. So until it does, we can't really watch people's videos if they want us to see them. I wish we could.
YouTube can be kind of sketchy.
Yeah. Well, some videos play fine, but other videos will never even load.
It's a good thing Netflix don't do that.
Yeah.
Netflix is what we're into.
Yeah, Netflix works fine. Well, most of the time.
It does.
YouTube's kind of been... We watch YouTube off of our PlayStation 3. And so I think it's just the app. For the PlayStation 3, they did an update on it, and now it doesn't work very well. And so until they do another update or they fix something, YouTube's kind of screwed up. And we don't watch it on our computer because our computer, we have an old laptop with a lousy screen, and it gives you a headache to watch videos on it. So we pretty much just are shut down from watching a lot of YouTube. There's some stuff we do get to see, but most stuff, you know, most of the vacuum cleaning channels and stuff, they don't play at all. And a lot of the carpet cleaners we subscribe to, we can't get their videos to play. So there may be something else going on too. I think it's maybe seems to be a lot of small channels won't play. And it may be because they're just preserving the bandwidth for the, you know, channels that have a lot more views and a lot more subscribers and all of that. So
plus we work a lot, so
we're too busy to watch a lot of stuff.
We don't really have time to watch a lot of YouTube. We're working, so we're more into YouTube to make videos demoing these products that we use, so people can see them, and if they want to buy them, they can purchase them from our Amazon influencer store. That's more what we're doing than anything else, is just showing product videos. Yeah, if we weren't trying to sell equipment, we wouldn't have a reason to really make videos. I mean, we might make them occasionally so we could show, you know, what we did on a job. And we do make videos for some of the companies we work for. You need to have proof of what you did when you submit a bill. If you say there was red stains or some other thing that you took out, you need to be able to show a video or at least photographs that there were actually red stains, because they sometimes ask if there's any proof. And you want to make sure you get paid, so you try to verify everything. But, plus, if you make videos and your customers, they call up and say, well, do you really clean that good? How do I know you're any better than your competitors? He's like, well, go to my YouTube channel. Yeah. And when they see you, they can see you what you clean 400, 500, 600 carpets. They know you're good. Now, we don't watch our videos. Since they're monetized, we don't try to watch them. You're not supposed to do that. And we don't save them. We don't have a hard drive big enough to save videos. So when we put a video up, we'll probably never see it again. One of the worst things is if somebody comes along and says, what was that thing you did at like 17 minutes and 18 seconds? You showed something, what was that? And it's like, I'm not going to go look for that. I mean, you know, it's just one of those questions I just ignore. Not to be rude, but we don't have time for that kind of stuff. No, I don't want to go look through things and try to find something somebody's interested. I know that people get curious about stuff, but that just takes too much time. Without being rude, if I was sitting home in my mother's basement and I wasn't working, I could do all kinds of stuff, but we're just too busy. I mean, we like people. We just don't have time to fool around with all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And we love everybody, but
Now, some of you that have vacuum channels, and maybe some other channels, you may notice I don't subscribe to you anymore. And that's, to be honest, I've tried to subscribe to everybody I can, but I just simply don't watch people's videos. If they're shot with a cell phone camera and they're shot in portrait instead of landscape, I try to watch. Yeah, I try to watch videos on a large TV, and I do not like watching.
That is the worst.
Portrait mode.
If you're shooting with a cell phone,
and if you're shooting in really bad lighting all the time, yeah, if you're shooting in really bad lighting all the time, or the videos are shaky.
Now this right here,
we're going to have to maybe touch that up.
We're going to iron that out as best we can.
We'll spray some ammonia on it.
Yeah, we'll spray some ammonia on it, and we'll get an iron to it and get her up there.
Okay, now that Bonnet cleaned this whole room and the closet, and it cleaned this room, and he didn't even flip it over.
Yes, I never even flipped it.
He could have, and then maybe it would have cleaned a little bit faster, but it was working still. And I guarantee that bonnet's going to be super dirty when we take it home and spray it out with a sink sprayer. It's going to be dirty.
Oh, and another thing, I saw a post on a Facebook carpet cleaning site, a pad cleaning site, and they asked how much people charge for red stains. That right there is $30. If there's more of them, it's more. But I charge a minimum of $30 if the stain is as big as a quarter.
Yeah.
I don't fool around with $5 or $10 stain removals.
We're going to go ahead and work on that, but I think the video is basically done. We're going to leave the machine hooked up because once we get that red stain out, we're going to machine clean all of our footprints out of the carpet because we left the rake at home, and we're not going to rake this one carpet. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching us clean the stains out, and there's going to be a link in the video description. I'm going to walk out here so you can get started. There's going to be a link in the video description for our Amazon influencer store, and you can get the information on the Oreck Orbiter there if you're thinking about buying them. They've been selling them for under $300 lately, which is pretty good. So if you ever wanted to get one, you might think about grabbing one. We've got a couple of them. You always want to have a backup if you can help it.
It don't hurt to have 2 or 3 of them.
No, and there's lots of other interesting items on the influencer page if you want to go look and check it out. I guess we're going to stop here though with the video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, thanks for watching.